Welcome viewers to Softdemy, a software engineering academy. Today I will discuss with you about resource assignment and how many resources you can assign to an activity. So what is resource assignment capability to assign to an activity in Primavera P6? So if you till not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share to our channel to keep watching Softdemy. And here I will open my Primavera P6. So in Primavera P6, first of all, I will open my project level settings. And in project level settings, you can see with the beside setting, there is a tab which is called resource. So in the resource tab, there is in the bottom, it's written resource assignment. So when you go to your active project, which you have activated right now, and you can see 18 activities are activated. And when you go in the general, the project is active now. And in the resources, resource assignment, you can see resource assignment setting. You can see resources can be assigned to the same activity more than once. So what the narration means and how it works in Primavera P6, and is it deleted, is it working, it's recalculated or anything it do, I will explain you in this video. So first of all, I will go here in the activities. In the activities, I will see an activity plinth beam having two resources. First one is the labor V2 and the second one is V1 mason. So V2 and V1. So I want to add a resource like the same. Why I need to add a same resource? So some companies having a resource labor and don't give the name to the labor. For example, I have 10 labors. I don't want to give single name to my single labor because my labor changes from every day. So here what I will do, I will go here in the notes. I will add notes for this labor. I will go here in the customize resources. I will add notes from here. I will go here, find notes, and I will add notes for my labor. Anything notes we can add from the user defined also, no issue. We can go here in the enterprise and the user defined field, and we can add here a text with notes. We can add here a text with notes. In resources, I will add here a text, notes, resources. So this one is text here, and I will just close this one, and I will go here in the customize resources column here, and I will find here notes, resources. Here I will add notes resources. And now after the role, I will add my notes here. Apply, OK. Then you can see here notes. You can write notes here for your activity here. Also, you can assign labor resource with the different roles. For example, I assign different roles to my different labor. So here when I add the same resource in this activity, you can see I can assign the same name resource and the same multiplications and the same everything will be same, default will be same, the date will be same, budget units per time will be same as the resource V2 is. Also I can add here a mason. You can see the fourth resources, two resources and two resources are the same name. So if I go here and I remove this and check, do it completely delete all the activities having a same resource in the same activity? No. Let me show you. When I click this one, it will not delete this one. So why this option is kept in there if it's not calculating or if it's not doing here? Let's do something more. We go here and recalculate and go in the tools here and we recalculate assignment cost. Let's see if it's doing here. No, it's nothing. Why it's not applying here? So why this option is kept there? So first of all, I will remove the additional resource which I have added here. Let's go here and I will press this one, remove, yes. So now I add here the same resource again. Now this time I want to add. When I click on mason, can you see The mason is already assigned, that's why this option is removed from adding here. Can you see in the labor? But you can see carpenter can we add, but mason and labor cannot be added because already it's assigned here, and we have put this setting on here that resource can be assigned to the same activity more cannot be possible. So when I click it again and go here in the activities, so add resource, and now it's activated. This assignment option is activated. So for example, I go here and in projects, and I want to assign multiple resources to my multiple activities. So go here, resource can be assigned to the same activity. I remove this one checkbox, and I don't want to overlap my resources. For example, I select all these resources, and let me show you assign, add resource, and I select these all activities, and when I add this one, so it will be add one time. These resources, can you see, will be added one time. Can you see this one is removing where I double click here. So when you add a lot of resources to all our activities, and you should on this settings, because if you double click on this one, this will added two times in your each activity. So it will be not possible to remove all the activities resources from all activities, a lot of activities. So you should turn on these settings. For I will go here and I will press on resource assignment, and I will go here in the remove option, and I will go here and select this one. So this is our today's content to how to assign your twice resources to same activities having a same name of resource and same type of resource to same activity. So this setting, how it applies and how it works, and is it possible to assign or not. So what its impact on your schedule or impact on your resource assignment. So thanks for watching SoftUdemy. Keep subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share. We will meet in next video.